Ready, start. The most important decision of the conference is the Declaration on World Peace and Cooperation. Full stop. The nations assembled set out the principles which should govern relations between them and indeed the countries of the world as a whole. Full stop. These are capable of universal application and are historic in their significance. Full stop. We in India have in recent months sought to formulate the principles which should govern our relations with other countries and often spoken of them as the five principles. Full stop. In the Bandung Declaration, we find the full embodiment of these five principles and the addition to them of elaborations which reinforce these principles. Full stop. We have reason to feel happy that this conference, representative of more than half the population of the world, has declared its adherence to the tenets that should guide their conduct and govern the relations of the nations of the world if world peace and cooperation are to be achieved. Full stop. Para. The House will remember that when the Panchashil, as we have called them, emerged, they attracted much attention as well as some opposition from different parts of the world. Full stop. We have maintained that they contain the essence of the principles of relationship which would promote world peace and cooperation. Full stop. We have not sought to point to them as though they were divine commandments or as though there was a particular sanctity either about the number or about their formulation. Full stop. The essence of them is the substance and this has been embodied in the Bandung Declaration. Full stop. Some alternatives had been proposed and some of these even formulated contradictory positions. Full stop. The final declaration embodies no contradictions. Full stop. The government of India is in total agreement with the principles set out in the Bandung Declaration and will honor them. Full stop. They contain nothing that is against the interests of our country or the established principles of our foreign policy. Full stop. The declaration includes a clause which has a reference to collective defense. Full stop. The House knows that we are opposed to military pacts and I have repeatedly stated that these pacts based upon the idea of balance of power and negotiation form strength and the grouping of nations into rival camps are not, in our view, a contribution to peace. Full stop. We maintain that view. Full stop. The Bandung Declaration, however, relates to self-defense in terms of the Charter of the United Nations. Full stop. The provisions of the Charter make it clear about the inherent right of self-defense. Full stop. Overall.